Enjoy the view of this 2021 Nissan Frontier. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, auto-dimming rearview mirror, floor mats. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.